When it comes to breakfast, convenience is key. The Rapid Egg Cooker Electric by Evoloop is designed to make mornings easier, faster, and more enjoyable. This upgraded model can handle up to 12 eggs at once, thanks to its clever double-layer stackable design. That means users can prepare enough for the whole family or scale it down for solo meals. Compared to traditional stovetop boiling, this cooker saves both time and energy, cutting the effort in half while doubling the output. Plus, the built-in buzzer ensures eggs are never overcooked, sounding off the moment they're ready. It's a dependable solution for busy mornings or weekend brunches. The true strength of this egg cooker lies in its versatility. It is not just about hard or soft-boiled eggs. With included trays, users can make poached eggs, omelets, and even prepare deviled eggs or egg sandwiches. Beyond breakfast, the Evoloop cooker can steam vegetables, dumplings, and seafood with ease. This flexibility makes it ideal for a family that enjoys variety or for someone who wants healthy meals without the hassle. The double-layer system is especially useful for events or gatherings, allowing large portions to be prepared quickly. Whether it's scrambled eggs for the kids or a plate of steamed broccoli for dinner, the cooker adapts easily. Storage and portability are also worth mentioning. The compact design allows it to fit neatly into small spaces, making it perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or even RV travel. For solo cooking, the second layer can be removed, while family meals can take advantage of the full 12-egg capacity. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and even suitable for camping or picnics. Wherever it goes, users can enjoy perfectly cooked eggs without worrying about bulky equipment. This thoughtful design emphasizes both practicality and efficiency, meeting the needs of different lifestyles. Cleaning up after cooking is often the least enjoyable part, but Evoloop has addressed that as well. The transparent lid, egg trays, and heating tray are all detachable, simplifying the cleaning process. Each accessory is made from BPA-free materials and is dishwasher safe, while the stainless steel housing ensures durability. In addition to functionality, the package includes a poaching tray, omelet tray, 2 egg holder trays, and a measuring cup with a built-in hole puncher. To inspire creativity, a colorful instruction manual with 18 delicious recipes is also included. Altogether, this makes the Rapid Egg Cooker Electric a smart investment for anyone who values time, space, and versatility in the kitchen.